How to fix Valorant not updating. Method 1. Reinstall Riot Vanguard. Navigate to the icons tray in the taskbar. Right-click the Riot Vanguard icon and click Exit Vanguard. Click Yes to confirm the action. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in CMD and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open command prompt as an administrator. In command prompt, type in SC-delete VGC and press Enter. Then, type in SC-delete VGK and press Enter. Close the command prompt. Hold down Windows plus E keys to open File Explorer. In the File Explorer address bar, type in C:\program files and press Enter. Right-click the Riot Vanguard folder and click Delete. Close File Explorer and reboot your PC. After rebooting, launch Valorant. Click Update to install Riot Vanguard and update Valorant. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Method 2. Run Riot Client and Valorant as an administrator. Hold down Windows plus E keys to open File Explorer. In the File Explorer address bar, type in C:\live_game/shootergame/binaries/win64 and press Enter. Scroll down, right-click Valorant Win64 Shipping and click Properties. In the Properties window, select the Compatibility tab. Mark the Run this program as an administrator checkbox. Click Apply and click OK. Close the File Explorer window. Right-click your Riot Client desktop shortcut and click Properties. Select the Compatibility tab. Mark the Run this program as an administrator checkbox. Click Apply and click OK. Restart your PC. Method 3. Repair Valorant game files. Open Valorant. In the top right corner of the window, click your profile icon and click Settings. In the Valorant panel, click Repair. Click Start Repair when prompted. Valorant will verify the integrity of game files and replace missing and corrupt files. Click OK once the verification is complete. Method 4. Allow Valorant through Windows Defender Firewall. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type firewall.cpl in Run and click OK. Select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. In the Allowed Apps and Features window, click Change Settings. Scroll down and mark the checkboxes in the private and public columns next to Riot Client. If Riot Client is not on the Allowed Applications list, click Allow another app. Click Browse. In the address bar, type in C:/Riot Games/Riot Client and press Enter. Select Riot Client Services.exe and click Open. Click Add to add Riot Client. Mark the checkboxes in the private and public columns next to Riot Client. Click Allow another app. Click Browse. In the address bar, type in C:/Riot Games/Valorant/live and press Enter. Select Valorant.exe and click Open. Click Add to add Bootstrap package game. Mark the checkboxes in the private and public columns next to Bootstrap package game. Click Allow another app. Click Browse. In the address bar, type in C:/Riot Games/Valorant/live/shooter game/binaries/win64 and press Enter. Select Valorant Win64 shipping.exe and click Open. Click Add to add Valorant. Mark the checkboxes in the private and public columns next to Valorant. Click OK. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's duplicate file finder and big files finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel.